दोस्तों नमस्कार, मैं लल्लू सिंह गौतम आपके लिए एक खास वीडियो लेके आया हूँ जो भारतीय त्योहारों के लिए बहुत बड़ा धमाका है। दिवाली के इस अवसर पे अमेज़न में एक महासेल का आयोजन किया है जिसको बोलते हैं धमाका धमाका धमाका। इसमें फैशन शो एवं अन्य वस्तुओं पर 0% लेके 88% तक छूट मिलेगी और साथ में ही आगे 17 अक्टूबर से और महासेल का भी आयोजन किया गया है। लिहाजा आप लोग इस फेस्टिवल धमाका में आप लोग अपना पार्टिसिपेट करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग प्रोडक्ट खरीदें और ये मौका आप लोग हाथ से ना जाने दें। आप आगे वीडियो देखिएगा और इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और घंटी भी साथ में बजा दें जिससे आपको आने वाला नया वीडियो सबसे पहले आपके पास पहुंच सके। दोस्तों आगे
Hello everyone and welcome back to First Fashion. So today I am going to show you how to style a beige kalamkari silk sari. Kalamkari is one of the oldest traditional crafts of India. ये अपने डिटेल और प्रेसिशन के लिए मशहूर है, especially during the Golconda Sultanate. Kalamkari comes from the word kalam and kari, which means pen and craftsmanship. तो चलिए अब देखते हैं आप इसके साथ फैशन स्टेटमेंट कैसे बना सकते हैं। This sari has two contrasting colors, beige and red. ये खादी सिल्क फैब्रिक से बनी हुई है, which looks and feels so rich. ये ब्लाउज पीस के साथ आती है, but आप अपने हिसाब से मिक्स एंड मैच भी कर सकते हैं। It comes with a red silk blouse piece, and I have chosen this very nice, chic red velvety blouse that I'm going to pair it with. It has a nice, cute bow behind. आप देख सकते हैं कि details are very crisp and minimal and it's there throughout the sari. If you see the pallu, आप देखेंगे there is this artwork in red which blends well with the rest of the sari. So guys, pick one with a gorgeous pallu. Overall, the sari expresses something that is a beautiful combination of art, heritage, intellect and style. That's what I love about kalamkari pieces. I have never tried a kalamkari sari before and hence I'm very excited. Let's go. How does this look? I feel very beautiful and confident in this kalamkari piece. In my opinion, the perfect blend of art and heritage makes it work best for all occasions and it absolutely works for all skin tones. It is now time to accessorize this sari. I have chosen this beautiful golden necklace, the perfect South Indian neck piece. And then my favorite golden jhumkas. I'm finally completing the look with these beautiful traditional golden bangles which have these red danglers. This is a perfect outfit and the perfect look for a festive occasion or even a wedding. And here's my final look. So that's
You're watching NDTV Swirlster and the product I'm reviewing today is the Kuvarba fashion sari. So let's get started.
Alright, so let's begin with this. This is the Kuvarba fashion sari. It's a gorgeous pink color. As you can see, it's really bright and I am sure this is going to look fabulous on every skin tone, because I mean this color is meant for the Indian skin tone. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I know you can't really see this, I'm sure you can't, but I must mention here that this is in fact a dual tone fabric. It has like 2 shades of pink on this fabric, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The entire sari has these embroidered motifs on it. It's not too full of it, which is great, because it's a very graceful yet a very simple, however still a very festive sari that can be worn literally for any occasion, I promise. The embroidery of this sari is in a gold thread work with a little blue peacock motif in the middle, and genuinely guys, I was not really expecting this sari to look and feel as premium as it does, especially at its value. It definitely adds a lot of grace, and you know, it's definitely worthy enough for what it is. The fabric is very lightweight. It's genuinely really lightweight. It's not pure silk, it's a blend, but it does look like silk from far away. So anyway, that's a win-win, I guess, in some way, right? The embroidery, I must come to now, it is very, very neat. Again, I was not expecting it to look as neat as it does in person, but it genuinely does look very, very neat. Sari, this is in fact the bottom of the sari. You have like the embroidered motif spaced out, you know, towards the end of the sari, and actually have like these slightly more clustered on the pallu. Right here you can see that it's a lot more closer to each other on the pallu. Again, very lightweight, can be carried out literally any time of the year. And the one thing that I really like about this sari is the attention to detail that they've given. The pallu, they have actually you know, made sure that they're knotted, and because of that they have given these tassel detailing, which makes the sari look very, very neat when it arrives to the customer. Worth it definitely for the fact that it is a beautiful color, lightweight, and a lot of attention to detail. For what it's worth, I think the price is also very, very good. In fact, it's fantastic, if I may say the least. This sari actually comes with a matching blouse piece. It is in a contrasting color, but it has the same embroidered motif as it does on the sari. The color in fact is a lovely midnight blue that complements the little blue peacock motif on the embroidered motif in the entirety of the sari. However, the only thing that one needs to make sure is that this blouse piece is sheer. It is a raw silk sort of a consistency. However, the fabric is sheer and it does not come with a lining, so that's something additional that you will need to look into yourself when you're getting it stitched. But what I really like about this sari is that there is so much room to experimentation with it. You can totally wear this sari with a gold blouse that complements you know, the embroidered motif on the sari, or you could even go for like a violet or a dark deep purple color that, you know, complements the blue purple motif, the peacock motif on the embroidered sari as well. And if not, you can even also definitely get this particular color done, or if you want to go a little over and beyond, you could get an emerald green as well. So there's a lot to experiment with. So yeah, definitely one that I would totally go for myself if I had to. And my final verdict for this sari is that it is worth every penny. I really was not expecting this sari to look and feel as premium as it does, and I'm glad that I did have the opportunity to get my hands on this, because I feel like even if you are wearing this for a festive occasion, or if you are in fact gifting it to somebody also, this one is a fab buy, you know, seriously. totally worth your time and money for sure. And my final verdict would be that this one's a definite win from my side. But well, that's all that I have this time. I'll see you again.
Hi everyone, welcome to NDTV's World Stir. So today we are here to talk about an ethnic wear, and we have with us is this beautiful sari. This is an art silk sari and this is from Annie Designers. So we are going to take a closer look at this and see what are its patterns and what kind of detailing it has. So this is the sari from Annie Designers. So this has a very rich color. So it's very, elegant and beautiful. So the sari is made of art silk fabric. So this is a fabric that you'll find is very lightweight. So it gives you the beauty of wearing a silk sari, yet it's very easy to handle and very easy to wear. So this particular sari, you can see it's got this beautiful sheen, and it comes with these prints. It's got these beautiful prints all over the sari. The border is of course, much heavier. So it's got this more elaborate, print. So it's got a little bit of floral. You get this house and a very scenic. So it's got the blouse, which is, like I said, it's solid, and that works beautifully because, since it has a heavy pallu, the blouse is a simple, solid tone blouse that you can style according to your preference, and that will be beautiful with this sari.
Hey guys, welcome back to Fashion First. Whether you're into saris or not, जो साड़ी आज मेरे साथ है is definitely going to make an impression for sure. Today, I'm going to show you how to style a white Georgette sari. Georgette saris have a special place in our hearts for the light-weighted flowy look it lends. It's caused an even higher point above most other saris for how airy the fabric is. If you're worried about the delicate nature of the sari, considering Georgette saris are usually characterized with delicate looks. And you can never go wrong with white. This one is designed to last. आप आराम करें और अपनी शाम का आनंद लीजिए. The sari I have today is a delicate mix of pearly white and baby pink. The border of the sari is lined with a darker shade of pink followed by crisscross black and white designs. आप देख सकते हैं, the body of the sari is filled with floral designs that are light and will probably remind you of a breezy summer's day. So guys, a good floral breezy sari is a great pick. The blouse is white with intricate grey detailing. The combination of white, pink and grey seems conventional, but these colors together form a great contrast. So play with colors. And for a special occasion, you can always opt for a blouse like this. I'm jazzing this sari up with this beautiful pink blouse. Let me quickly try this sari and join you back. How pretty and cute this sari is. And I have to tell you, it is extremely comfortable to wear. अब देखते हैं इसे स्टाइल कैसे कर सकते हैं. Casual daily wear के लिए ये साड़ी best suited है. But I'm going to jazz it up a little. First, I'm going to wear these beautiful pink earrings. And now, some simple pink and silver bangles. And now, I'm going to complete this look with a simple bindi. And here's my final look. The playful nature of the sari makes it easy to carry on all occasions. Of course, you can accessorize it more with looped earrings, and to complete the look, you can experiment with
Life is short. Let my pallu be long. I'm going to style this beautiful chiffon sari, so let's get started.
दोस्तों, आपने 5 साड़ियों का कलेक्शन देखा है। आगे मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में 11 साड़ियों का टोटल मिला के कलेक्शन डाल दूंगा। आप लिंक से शेयर कर लें। मेरा वीडियो देखने के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आगे भी